We've got a lot going on in there today. We're excited to have the folks from Liquid Sushi.
Yes, and we are having fun already. We have got Roy Duran, chef at Liquid Sushi, and Mary McAleer with the Ronald McDonald House. We are so excited that you're here, but tell me why you're pairing up this morning.
So I'm doing a Chashu bun.
Chashu bun. I'm going to get this before the show ends.
So Chashu is a Japanese word for pork.
Yeah.
And then bun means bun, essentially.
I think of something sweet when I hear bun.
Yeah, well, it's kind of like the bun is a steamed bun, and it's more like the texture of it. It's kind of like a puff pastry.
Huh, okay.
But yeah, that originated in, I believe it's a Fujian,
wow.
Or Fujian,
yeah.
China.
Yeah.
And then it's also kind of like been moved all over the place. Other people use it, other cultures use it.
So how do we start out? What do we start with?
This is our pork belly.
Yep.
So
it's beautiful.
For normal Chashu pork,
Looks
you'd roll it up. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna mix, these are herbs. So this is a sweet chili sauce, which has sugar, chili flakes in it. This is thyme and parsley. So all I'm gonna do is just kind of.
Awesome. Well, while you're doing that, I'm going to ask Miss Mary here, what's going on at the Ronald McDonald House, and tell me how this partnership
So
started.
We are celebrating our 10th anniversary for Little Black Dress.
Yes.
And it is a New York style runway show smack dab in the middle of a cocktail party. And the cocktail party happens to have delicious food, and Liquid will be there.
Awesome. And I get to be a part of this as well.
Yes, it's going to be fun.
I'm so excited. So Liquid Sushi will also be there. And while you're now what's going on with this Chashu bun? Look at me go.
Look at you. I'm just seasoning the inside, or no seasoning, but before I roll it up, just so everything kind of gets cooked into the meat from the inside.
Cool.
And I'm rolling it up so that when we cook it, there's like less meat surface that's actually getting.
This is amazing to me.
Cooked. You want less heat for like the less surface.
Yeah.
Because you want it to slow cook and you want it to be as much juice in the inside. So when you wrap it up, it kind of like holds it in there.
So for the folks at home maybe wanting to try this or come see you guys, do you serve this on the menu?
We actually do not right now.
Oh, so this is exclusive to Studio 10.
And Little Black Dress.
And that's right.
We'll do it as a seasonal thing every once in a while.
Cool.
Just like as a special. Is that right? Yeah.
Awesome. So you've got to go out to the Little Black Dress event to try this. We get to try it, which I'm super excited this morning.
Good, doesn't it?
It really does. So what's the latest going on at Ronald McDonald House?
Ronald McDonald House. All is well at the house. We're kind of busy. What we do, for those that don't know, we are a home that takes care of families that have children being treated in our area hospital.
Yeah.
So
it's a great work, and you guys help so many families in need.
We're very fortunate to be able to do what we do.
Of course. So coming back with Joe, what will you be doing?
With that?
Yeah, with Joe when he comes back, what will you be doing? What are the next steps?
We'll actually go ahead and be searing off this meat and then throwing it in the oven, in which you normally would cook it for about 4 hours, just because you want it to be a slow cook. You want to keep all the juices in it, and you're braising it, which just holds all the juices in there. Searing it off beforehand to kind of like seal it first.
This is a work of art.
We'll be doing that, and then we'll be pickling stuff
really
and making the pineapple ginger slaw.
Awesome. Well, we're so excited. Joe, I know you're excited to try this. I know I am.
Hey, welcome back into Studio 10. We are in the kitchen. We've got a lot to talk about, y'all. We've got Roy, Christina, we have Mary here from Ronald McDonald House, and y'all are with Liquid Sushi. A full house this morning. Good morning to all y'all.
Morning.
So we're going to talk to you about a big event coming up for Ronald McDonald in just a little bit. But guys, tell me about Liquid Sushi Lounge.
Okay, well, in September, we've been there for a long time, but in September we recently closed down to do a full remodel, and we have reopened as of February 13th with a whole new facelift and a lot of new things going on and lots of new changes. The biggest one being we now have a walkway from OK Bicycle Shop to Liquid Lounge.
Okay.
So you can see both dining rooms from either or.
I felt like it was a good thing to say okay there.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, we've always had both menus at both places, but now you can experience both at the same time.
Man, how great is that? A lot of people excited about your remodel, your reopening, looking forward to that. And what are you guys cooking for us today?
So we're doing a Chashu bun. So we're doing a Japanese style pork, which is kind of like a barbecued pork.
This is a huge chunk of meat.
Yes, it is. So you guys saw us wrap up this pork belly earlier, and now we're going to be searing it.
All right, now tell me a little bit about the sear process. So you want to sear it, you're going to try to capture all those juices,
yeah,
right?
so by searing it, we'll be sealing it off pretty much. So we'll do a slight sear all over it. We don't want to cook it too much because we want the oven to do the rest of that cooking.
Ah, gotcha.
So you want this pretty hot to actually get a good sear. So we turn it up as much as we can.
Our Thermidor cooktop heats up pretty quick.
Man, it's so quick.
It's so quick. So we'll let you get going on that whenever you feel that it's ready to go. Let's talk a little bit about the Ronald McDonald House and this fun, great event that y'all do, the Little Black Dress.
Little Black Dress coming up March 28th, and it's our 10th anniversary, so we're really, really excited. And Liquid will be there cooking. There'll be one of our many, many food vendors.
There's no shortage of food at the event.
No shortage of food. It's going to be at Fort Whiting. If you want to get tickets, we still have some available. They're $100 per person to get you in. So you must be 21 years old.
Gotcha. So if you're watching right now, now is the time to get those tickets, though, because it always has a great chance of selling out, correct?
Yes.
All right, and also exciting, there's some Fox 10 participation this year.
Yes.
There usually is something,
Fox 10 is very good to us. So Lanice will be walking the runway again.
That's great.
So we're excited about that.
Did we just get a shot of this overhead here? You hear that sizzle? Are we ready to get that thing going?
I think we're ready to go.
All right, let's put that thing in there. Hey, if folks want to get tickets, exactly where do they go to do so?
Go to our website, which is rmhcmobile.org.
Okay. All right, the searing process, like you said, you're going to go fairly quick. Then once you sear it, you get into the oven, and how long does it stay in that oven for?
Roughly like 3.5 to 4 hours.
That's a slow cook right there.
Cook, somewhere there's no tension at all, or no resistance. Whenever at the end of the game, whenever you're done cooking it, you want it to be pretty much falling apart. So
that's how you win the game.
That's how you win the game.
4 hours of fun. That's how you win with the Chashu Bayo bun with pineapple ginger slaw. Told ya we get it the next time.
Got it.
All right, y'all. We're gonna come back and check in with you guys in just a little bit. Now, time to see what's going on with that foggy weather, guys.
We are back in the kitchen with my new friends from Ronald McDonald House and Liquid Sushi, and we're about to try the Chashu Bomb Bomb.
Bayo bun.
No!
I like the bon bon though. I think.
Okay, Bomb Bomb. I would like to hear that said 3 times fast. Okay, so we finished this up. These little Bayo bombs look very tasty. What is this? I've never seen it before.
It's a bun pretty much. Like a Taiwanese bun. So it's still made out of, like what normal pastries would be made. Yeah. But it's steamed. Cool.
So, tell me about your favorite menu items.
Well, he was mentioning the spicy tuna poke, which is basically, of course, a poke bowl with tuna and squid and a lot of other little ingredients that make it wonderful. But one thing I wanted to mention was I know that a lot of people are giving up meat this time of year, New Year's resolutions, Lent, everything. We do have a wonderful new vegan menu out, which is vegetarian vegan. We also have wonderful fish options going on right now. We have 3 different fish tacos on the Bicycle Shop's menu.
Yeah.
And then, of course, sushi is mostly fish anyway. So
this is incredible.
Yeah, cool.
At first it's sweet, then that spice kicks in.
It's pretty spicy.
It's so good. You guys are going to have to go to Little Black Dress event and try this. It is seriously, I've never tasted anything like it before. It's so good.
Cool. That's
Yeah, I'm really excited. But we've got this big event coming up that hopefully I get
March
to be a part
28th.
of. I know we are excited.
It's going to be fun.
That's right. So if
Little Black Dress.
Yep. If anyone wants to get involved, how do they do that?
Call Ronald McDonald House. You can go to our website. You can buy a ticket online. If that doesn't, fit your comfort zone, call me and we can do it that way. Did y'all put the Ronald McDonald House website up there?
It will be on Fox 10, our website, under the Studio 10 tab later this afternoon. So we will get that. Yep, we will get that on. Guys, I'm so excited that you guys came on. This is incredible. I'm so excited, and hopefully I get to eat it again
it over there.
soon. I know.
Absolutely.
I have dibs on this one. It's so good. Well, we're excited that you're here, and I'm going to have to go try you guys out.
Absolutely.
Yeah. We'll be back with more Studio 10 in a minute.